some multiplying. So same thing, we're just going to take it left to right as we go. Let's get set. There we are. All right, 4 times negative 8 is positive 32. Positive 32 times positive 2 is 64. 64 times negative 2 is negative 128. Number 26, negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. That's a 0.5. Negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. Negative 24 times 0.5 is negative 12. Number 27, negative 45 divided by 5 is negative 9. Divided by 3 is negative 3. And that's our answer. 28. 16 divided by negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2. Number 29, just the numerator first. Let's just do that. Negative 7 times negative 9 is positive 63. Positive 63 times negative 12, there we go, is going to give me 3, 6, as long as I did the right, 6, 12, yep, 3, 6. This is going to give me negative 756. My denominator, 3 times negative 18, is negative 54. So now what I want to see is with 756 is easily divisible by 54. So let's see. 54 times, maybe 15. 0, carry the 2, 25, 26, 27. 4, 5, we get, we're at 8, 10, so just a little high. So I'm going to say that 54 goes into it 14 times. Let's see if we can do that. 54 times 14. 21, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7. Exactly, even. It's positive 14. Comes out precisely. And the very, very, very last one of these kind of problems, we're going to add 100 minus negative 23, where it's really same add opposite, so it's really 193, minus negative 77, it's really add opposite, so we're going to add 193 plus 77, we get 270. Nice job, guys. Alright, a little bit further, we have here the point AB is given to us in quadrant 3 of the coordinate plane. Describe the location of the point with the given coordinates. So if we think of a coordinate plane, it's in 1, 2, 3. We need some point in this quadrant. So let's pick, how about negative 3, negative 4. Negative 3, negative 4 would actually fall right here. Okay? So this is a point AB. That means if AB is the point, negative 3, negative 4, A is negative 3, B is negative 4. Now we're just picking this as a sample so that it fits this condition, quadrant 3. They want to know where the point AA is. Well, A is negative 3, so it's negative 3, negative 3. That also would fall in quadrant 3, so that's your answer. Number 32, BA is going to be negative 4, because that's B. A is negative 3. This too would fall in quadrant 3. So in this case, both are quadrant 3. 2 more problems. A factory produces B bicycles an hour and runs for H hours a day. Write a variable expression for the number of bicycle tires the factory uses each day. Evaluate the expression when B equals 50 and H equals 16. Alright, so B equals bicycles an hour. An hour. And H equals hours a day. They want to know how many bicycle tires the factory uses each day. So if we do B times H, that tells us how many bicycles were made. This is how many bicycles were made an hour, and this is how many hours were worked. But we want to know bicycle tires, so we're going to multiply that by 2. And this is going to be a variable expression for the number of bicycle tires made per day. That's our variable expression they asked for, but then they say evaluate the expression when b equals 50 and h equals 16. So this is going to be 2 times 50 times 16, which 2 times 50 is 100, 100 times 16, 1,600 bicycle tires, per day. It's a word problem, so make sure to label it. And 34, you belong to a book club. Your yearly book budget is $350. Each book in the book club costs $7. So first, complete the table. So the cost of one book is 7, 2 books is 14, 3 books is 21, 4 books is 28. We could keep going, but then the amount left is initially $350. After one book, it's $343. After 2 books, it's $336. I just keep subtracting 7. So $329 would be next, and $322 would be the last amount available. And let's just, minus 7. Good. I want to make sure we have it right. They want us to write a variable expression for the cost of B books. Well, we look in this column. This is how many books we have. 1 book, $7. 2 books, $14. 3 books, $21. 4 books, $28. We're really multiplying 7 times B. And letter C, write a variable expression for the amount of your budget after B books. So this is our budget, the amount left. So what we're doing here is we're saying, all right, 350 was our initial amount, and then we're subtracting from it whatever was in this cost column. 350 minus 7 is 343. 350 minus 14 is 336, and so on and so on. So this is going to be 350 minus 7b. And the last one, how many books will you be able to buy before $350 is spent? We have to know 7 times what is 350? 350 minus 7b, when is that going to equal 0? So really, we can say, well, we know that 7 times 50 is equal to 350. So whenever we say 50 books are bought, this is really 350 minus 350. There will be 0 money left whenever it's all spent. So the answer here is 50 books. All right, great job, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, come see me.